The key fixings utilized in the Viarexin recipe are altogether referenced and shown on the item page. However, there is no clarification given to demonstrate how they work. The way that the recipe utilizes prosexual nutrients implies that it ought to affect dimensions of nitric oxide too, in the body, which is fundamental for a sound erection. Nitric oxide assumes a noteworthy job in vasodilation, unwinding and enlarging the vein, prompting the penile chambers and enabling more blood to go through. The after effect of this is a bigger and harder erection that can be continued for a more drawn-out time frame. Notwithstanding animating nitric oxide creation, Viarexin utilizes fixings that improve sexual stamina, for example, Maca root and increment dimensions of male hormones, including Caltrops and Muira Puama. Avena Sativa 3 is a fixing frequently utilized in male upgrade items as it underpins a solid sexual reaction, and the equation additionally incorporates grape seed, which gives safe boosting enemies of oxidants. Viarexin ingredients, are they safe and effective? Beetroot, Muira Puama, Prosexual Nutrients, L-citrulline, Caltrops 4, Eurycoma longifolia Jack 5, grapeseed, Maca root, Piperlungum. The real measures of the fixings are not revealed, so the recipe's strength can't be judged appropriately. Nonetheless, the maker expresses that most men will see critical outcomes inside 90 days whenever taken at the prescribed portion of 2 containers for each day. What are the advantages of Viarexin? The equation is all common. There is a 90-day unconditional promise. There are client tributes given. Value limits are accommodated. Numerous requests. No unsafe reactions have been accounted for. It has a few advantages for male sexual well-being. What are the disadvantages of Viarexin? No maker data is given. Logical testing results are not referred to. The item is just accessible on the web. Viarexin review, final verdict. Viarexin contains a large number of the fixings expected to support the intensity of the erection and male sexual movement when all is said and done. In any case, Viarexin is contending with numerous different brands that additionally incorporate these fixings, and there is nothing about the equation that would propel buyers to support it over these different items. There are various things the maker could do to raise the profile of their image, for example, giving a clarification of every fixing, demonstrating clinical testing information, and giving a free example. Until this is done, it is impossible that purchasers will pick Viarexin rather than a best male improvement item from a built-up and confided-in organization.